Good morning, friends. I don't know why I always start every video with today's date. I think it helps me feel like I'm being productive by remembering that there is some kind of schedule that we're all on right now. It is Thursday, April 30th, almost May, almost Miss Kirk's birthday month. So today we are going to pick up on our reading plans. You need to have out your lock book. You also need to have out your Unit 5 Week 4 vocabulary cheat sheet. You will also need out your foldable if you're still working on that. Remember, on the front, the only part that you're not doing is the graphic organizer. The middle section needs to be done, and you're more than welcome to color it as well. And of course, your reading packet. Today, we are going to finish A Drop of Water. So we're going to read pages 438 to pages 445. So go ahead and get to page 438. Today, our reading starts off with snowflakes. Okay? Yesterday we talked about all the different forms that water can have. So water can be a solid, it can be a liquid, it can be a gas. Remember, a solid takes shape. So think about like ice. Ice takes some kind of shape. An ice sculpture is definitely in a shape. But a liquid has no shape at all. My water bottle, there is no shape to the water that's inside of it. Okay? So now is a good time to pause this video so that you can either read this story by yourself or with a family member, or you may turn this off and you may listen to the story online, logging in through your Google Drive. And then we will pick up and we are going to answer questions 1, 2, and 3 together. And I'm even going to help you with number 7. So go ahead and pause this video and we will catch up soon. All right, having out your packet in front of you, let's look at number 1. It says, what text structure does the author use to present information in the last paragraph on page 438? So here is page 438, and it wants to know about the last paragraph. So where it says sometimes snow mixes, that's the last paragraph. So if you reread that paragraph, it is comparing snowflakes to frozen raindrops. Okay? So it is compare and contrasting. So that answer is C. Number 2, in the first paragraph on page 438, the author asks this question. How can such an intricate, that word is intricate, object form in the sky? What object are they referring to? So this is in the first paragraph. It's actually the last sentence. It says, how can such an intricate object form in the sky? Intricate means it has a lot of interesting parts. A lot of components make that up. And we all know that snowflakes, they're very, very intricate. If you look at this object very close up, look at all of the detail in this one snowflake. We also know that these details are what makes snowflakes so very unique. So they're talking, the object that they're referring to as being intricate is a snowflake. Let's look at number 3. What is the difference between snowflakes and sleet on page 438? Okay. So snowflakes are ice crystals. They are those ice crystals that are the result of water vapor changing into a solid. Okay. So those snowflakes are ice crystals that are changing into a solid. But sleet, that's like frozen raindrops, frozen little ice pellets. So sleet is frozen raindrops, whereas snowflakes are ice crystals that are a result of the water vapor. You will need to answer questions 4, 5, and 6 by yourself. On number 7, and 7 and 8. On number 7, though, I do want to give you a helpful hint. It says in the first paragraph on page 443, Which point of view is the author using? I want to go over all of our different points of view. So remember, a first person point of view is I, me, my, mine. I'm telling the story. So your personal narratives that you wrote at the beginning of 4th grade, those were all first person. Second person, that's when you hear those keywords like you and yours. And then third person is he, she, and they. Okay, so they went to the mall. He went to the movies. First person is I went on a trip to the beach. I did not, but I wish I was. Okay, so remember those keywords as you answer number 7. And don't forget number 8 either on your paper. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help. Like I said yesterday, that is my job. I want to be here. I wish you were in my classroom so I could help you all the time. So if you have questions, please, please, please do not struggle. Please reach out to me, and I will be more than happy to help. Math is coming next. Bye, friends.